Welcome. In this video, we will learn about reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning and thereby also branch of artificial intelligence. It allows machines and software agents to automatically determine the ideal behavior within a specific context in order to maximize its performance. Simple reward feedback is required for the agent to learn its behavior. This is known as reinforcement signal. So why reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning allows the machine or software agent to learn its behavior based on feedback from the environment. This behavior can be learned once and for all or keep on adopting as time goes by. If the problem is modeled with care, some reinforcement learning algorithms can converge to the global optimum. This is the ideal behavior that maximizes the reward. So let's see the diagram of reinforcement learning. Here you can see that robot agent is interacting with it. The training data has been supplied. The perception works correctly on the training data. The correct action will be taken here. The query will be executed depend upon what it is passed. The perception is happened from the both sides. A good way to think about reinforcement learning is by understanding that we are defining a learning problem and not a learning method. So we can say that any method that can solve our problem can be considered as a reinforcement learning method. Reinforcement learning is characterized by two distinguishing features: trial and error learning and delayed reward. A reinforcement learning agent uses these two features to learn from the consequences of its action. So that's it on reinforcement learning introduction. Thank you for watching this video.